Today I am going to teach you chapter 3, exercise 3.2. In 3.2, we are going to solve addition of expression and subtraction of algebraic expressions. For adding or subtracting algebraic expression, we can write the like terms one after the other horizontally by using brackets or one below the other vertically. Let's try exercise 3.2 sums in the classwork note. In exercise 3.2, question number 1, fill in the blanks. First subdivision, the addition of minus 7b and 2b is dash. The answer is minus 5b. How to find the answer? It is minus 5b. So, check the given terms, the variables. The given variables here in the first part also b and in the second term also b. So, take the common variables outside and write the numbers in the bracket. So, minus 7 plus 2. Now, what to do with this 2 number? Plus into minus, we have to subtract this 2 number. So, 7 minus 2, that 5, and the greater number is minus sign. So, take and write minus 5. Along with minus 5, you should write the given variable as b. Now question number 2, subdivision 2, the subtraction of 5m from minus 3m. The first you should write minus 3m, then subtract 5m. Now the common variables out, m, minus 3, minus 5, minus into minus, we have to add this to number. So the answer is 8. Greater number is 5. The sign for that is minus. So minus 8m. The additive inverse of minus 37xyz is plus 37xyz. Coming to part 2, question number 2, say true or false. The expression 8x plus 3y and 7x plus 2y cannot be added is given in the question. But we can add this to expression. The variables are same. So we can add the given expression. So the answer is false. Next one, if x is a natural number, then x plus 1 is its precedent. Precedent means minus 1 should come. So the given question is false. Next, sum of a minus b plus c and minus a plus b minus c is 0. Now, when the same variable which having the different sign, we can cancel so that the answer will be 0. So your answer is true. From question number 3, we can work out the sum in classwork note. Write the heading as exercise 3.2 and copy question number 3, addition, subdivision 1, 8x, 3x. So exercise 3.2, question number 3, subdivision 1, add the given terms. So here the given variables are same, 8x plus 3x. Now take the coefficient outside in the bracket. Numerical coefficient given in the terms are 8 and 3 and the variables here. Now 8 plus 3, 11x. So your answer is 11x. Coming to subdivision 2, here first step, write the addition 7mn plus 5mn. The variables are same. As it is a like term, we can add these two terms. So the numerical coefficient here is 7 plus 5 and the common variables given in the question is m and n. Now 7 plus 5, it is 12 m n is your answer. Now in subdivision 3, they given as minus 9y addition, so plus 11y plus 2y. Now, the numerical coefficient given in the terms are 9 minus 9 plus 11 plus 2, and the common variables is y. Now, here first this 2 minus into plus, we have to subtract this 2 number. So, 11 minus 9, it is 2. Which number is greater? Plus 11, plus 11 is greater. So, plus sign for that. And what is the remaining? You please get down. Plus 2. And the variables is y. So, your answer is 2 plus 2, 4y. Now, question number 4, they given as subtract. So, first arrange the number. What is the given question? 4k from 12k. So, the from, you have to write this 12k as your first term. Subtract, the sign is minus, and the next term is 4k. As it is a like term, the variables are same. So, take the numerical coefficient in your bracket and write the term, variables outside. Now, 12 minus 4, it is 8, and the variable is k. So, your answer is 8k. Solution 2, 15q from 25q. We have to subtract these two terms. So, 25q minus 15q. Check the coefficients in the bracket. 25 minus 15. And the given variables is q. Now, 25 minus 10, it is 10. Q is your answer. Try the subdivision 3 in your homework note. Let's move on to question number 5. Before sum, we are adding or subtracting the terms. Here in this given question, they are given as a expression. Find the sum of. So, sum of means we have to add this 3 given expression. First, we will arrange the like terms equally. So, now here it is. First 2 expression we will take. We will arrange the answer. We will arrange the question. For 7p plus 6q. Now here 5p minus q. Find the sum of. We have to add these two expression. Now coming to this part. Plus into minus. We have to subtract these two number. As the q is the same variable, it is a like term. So 6 minus 1, if no number is there before the variable, we can assume that as 1. Now 6 minus 1, it is 5. Write the variables. Now which number is greater in this two? It is plus, 6, and the sign for that is plus. Now coming to this part, plus into plus, we have to add this two number. So 7 plus 5, it is 12. Don't forget to write the variables. Along with this expression, you please arrange the given third expression. Here given as 16p. So that 16p you have to write under 12p. We have to arrange the like terms. Now here it is plus q. Plus q. Now addition. Now plus 5 plus 1q, it is 6q. Sign for this is plus, and here variable is p. 6, 7, 8, 28p. So since we are adding this 3 expression, we will get the answer as 28p plus 6q. Like this also we can do, or one more method is there. First step, arrange all the like terms. Here the two terms are given. One is a p and next variables is q. So arrange the p terms and all in one category and q terms and all in second category, and then also you can add that two given expressions. I think so it is easy you to understand this method. Let's try the second subdivision. Here they given a, 5p and 7c. The variables given in this expressions are a P and C. First step, what I told you, take and write the first expression A 5P plus 7C. Like that, 2A where we have to arrange under the variables A, 2A. Now here it is 10B. So under 5B you arrange 10B. Now plus 9C. Find the sum of is given in the question. So we have to add this two expression. Now plus into plus, plus. So 9 plus 7, it is 16. C. Now plus into plus, we have to add this two number. Which number is greater? 10. The sign for that is plus. Now 10 plus 5, 15B. Now here I told you before sum itself, if no number is there before the variable, we have to assume that as 1. Now 1A plus 2A, which gives you 3A. So your answer is 3A plus 15B plus 16C. Is it clear, students? Try question number 5, subdivision 3 and 4 in your homework note. Let's we try subdivision 5 in the classwork note. So first step, arrange the like terms. Given in the question the terms are x, y, z, but here they given as z, x, y. Anyhow the variables are same. Yes, that only thing that variables is different, lightly changed, is it? So x, y, z minus 3xy. The same variables also is here in the next expression. So take and arrange that. Z, x, y, z also same only. Now here they given as x, y, here they given as y, x. Variables are same. We can assume that also, yeah, same like terms. So here minus 5 yx we can write as xy. Now find the sum of, we have to add this two expression. Now minus into minus, we have to add this two number. So 5 plus 3, 8 xy, which number is greater 5, sign for that is minus. Plus into plus, we have to add this two number. So 5 plus 3, 8, write the variable as x, y, z. So your answer is 8xy z minus 8xy. Now question number 6, subtract. There also they given two expression. From is given. First step, arrange the second expression as first. 27x plus 5y minus 43. Now second expression, 13x plus 12y minus 5. Hence we have to subtract these two expressions. For subtraction, it is a easy method. Change the sign for the second expression. So minus sign will change as plus. Here plus, we can change it as minus. Here plus, we can change it as minus. Okay, so now minus into plus, we have to subtract this two number. So 43 minus 5, the answer is 38. Which number is greater? 43. Sign for that is minus. Plus into minus, you have to take this only. So plus into minus, we have to subtract this two number. 12 minus 5, it is 7. Don't forget to write the variable. Now which number is greater? 12, and sign for that is minus. So take and write that minus sign here. Now plus into minus, we have to subtract this two number. 27 minus 13, which gives you 14. X, variable is x. Now sign for number, greater number is 27, sign for that is plus. Here your answer is 14x minus 7y minus 38. This method is easy, I think so. Coming to next part, one more method we will try. Yes, P minus 2Q plus 7 from, so first we have to write this expression first. What we have to do, subtract. Now write the second expression, 3P plus 5. First step, P minus 2Q plus 7. Take down this minus sign inside. So minus into plus, minus 3P, minus into plus, minus 5. Now we have to arrange the numbers. So P minus 2Q plus 7. So here and minus 3P minus 5. The same I am writing again. Join the terms, say like terms. So P and minus 3P minus 2Q. Here in the expression, any other terms are there? No. Only the constant numbers are same. So you please arrange that. Plus 7 minus 5. Here plus into minus, minus. So 3 minus 1, 2P. Which number is greater? Minus. Now the next term is minus 2Q. Now join the coefficient. Plus into minus. Minus we have to do. So 7 minus 5, 2. Which number is greater? Plus. Instead of this, one more method. We'll try that also. Arrange the number P minus 2Q plus 7. Now subtract we have to do. Second expression is 3P. Under the P you have to write 3P. Q is not there. So we can assume that as a 0. And plus 5. Just take and arrange. And try to change the sign. 1. We have to subtract this two expression. You have to change the sign. Plus into minus. Minus we have to do. 7 minus 5, 2. Which number is greater? Plus. Now get down this minus 2Q. Now here plus into minus we have to subtract this two number. 3 minus 1, 2P. Which number is greater? Minus. That is 3. Sign for that is minus. Both the answer are same, which is easy, you can follow, students, but don't forget to change the sign while you following this method to do the subtraction of the given expression. Let's try one more subdivision in this given question number 6. Here they given as 2y plus z from 6z minus 5y. So arrange the number 6z minus 5y. Now what is the next one? 2y plus z is given. So plus z you please write here and plus 2y. Arrange the like terms. Here we are going to subtract. So we have to change the sign for the second expression. Now minus into minus, you have to add this two number. 5 plus 2, 7 y. Which number is greater? 5. Sign for that is minus. You have to take and write the minus sign here. Now plus into minus. So you have to subtract these two terms. 6z minus 1z, which gives you 5z, and check the sign part. 6 is a greater number. Sign for that is plus. So your answer is 5z minus 7y. You are clear, student, to add and subtract the expression. Now question number 7, we have to simplify. First they given 3 expressions are given in the question. First we will try to arrange this two expression. X plus y minus z. Here in between the bracket they given as add. So we have to add this two expression and try to arrange this expression. So 3x under x 3x minus 5y plus 7z. Now plus into minus, we have to subtract these two terms. So 7 minus 1 6. So 6z. Which number is greater? 7. Plus sign is for that. You have to take and write plus sign here. Next one is plus into minus. So we have to subtract these two number terms. So 5 minus 1, 4, the variable is y. Greater number is 5. Sign for that is minus. We have to take and write the minus sign over here. Now here plus and plus. So we have to add this two number. So 3 plus 1, 4 x. Here in this two expression, we are adding the expression. So no need to change the sign over here. And this is the answer while you are adding first two expression. In the third part, they given, we have to subtract the given expression. So along with this answer, you take and arrange the given expression first. Then we have to subtract the given expression. So 14x, where we have to write under 4x, 14x. Next they given us plus 7y, under the term y we have to write plus 7y. Here they given minus 6z. As it is given in the question, you have to take and write here minus 6z. So here we are going to subtract this two expression. What I told the previous sum, if we are subtracting this two expression, change the sign given in the second expression. So minus sign will change it as plus, plus sign we change it as minus, plus sign we can change it as minus. Now we have to take this only as a consideration to do the operation. So plus into plus, we have to add these two like terms. So 6 plus 6, 12 is that. So plus sign. Now minus into minus, we have to add. So 7 plus 4, 11. The variable is y. And the greater number is 7. Sign for that is minus. Now plus into minus, we have to subtract. So 14 minus 4, 10x. The greater number is 14. Sign for that is minus. So to once you simplify the given expression, you are getting the answer minus 10x minus 11y plus 12z. Now next subdivision, they given the terms are here. Arrange the same terms equally. So p plus next p plus one more p is given there, and minus p is given here, and minus p is given here, and one more plus p is given here. Arrange that like terms are same. The remaining thing is a constant number is given there. So plus 2 plus 3, now minus 4 minus 5 plus 10. So totally how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 terms are there. So I arrange the 11 terms here and count and see whether you wrote all the terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now what I told, if it is a same variable with a different sign, we can cancel so that you will get the answer as 0. Here plus p minus p. One more also we can cancel. We can simplify this. So plus p minus p we can cancel. What is the remaining here? 2p is there. Okay, 2p. Now coming to the constant part, add the constant number here. So 2 plus 3 it is 5, and 5 plus 10 plus 15, that is 2 plus 3 5, along with plus 3. sorry, plus 5, I am adding plus 10. So this is plus 15. Now coming to this part, minus into minus, we have to add. So 4 plus 5, 9, and greater number is 5, sign for that is minus. I am trying to simplify this number. So now 2p, now plus into minus, minus, we have to subtract this two number. 15 minus 9, 6, greater number is plus 15, so plus your answer is 2p plus 6. Understand students, this sum? I am trying to simplify this sum. I am arranging the like terms and all same, and the constant numbers are here. So you try to solve this sum. Again and again try the sums in your revision note, so that easily you can able to do the sums. Let's move on to third subdivision. There they given the question as n plus m plus 1 plus n plus 2 plus m plus 3 plus n plus 4 plus m plus 3. I am trying to arrange the m terms and all in one category and n terms in next category. So first step, to remove the brackets. What is given there? N, then plus m plus 1 plus n plus 2 plus m plus 3 plus n plus 4 plus m plus 5. Now join the like terms. Here n, what are the variables given there? M and n, on the constant number is given there. So n term and all. So first n, next one plus n, and one more n variable is given there. Next going to m variable plus m, and here also one m, and here another m. Now coming to the constant terms, plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5. Totally how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 terms are there also in this sum. So you arranged as a like terms. Now you can add the n terms, m terms, and the coefficients, constant numbers. So n plus n, which gives you 3n, plus m plus m plus m, 3m. Now the constant number 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5. Any other, you just check it students. We left out any number. 1, 2, see 4 and 5 is there. You have to write plus 3 also here. Like that you please identify and then add the constant number now. So if you are adding this number, you will get the answer as 15. Now once you simplify this sum, you will get answer 3n plus 3m plus 15. Is it clear student? Exercise 3.2. Shall I give the assignment sums now? So in exercise 3.2, question number 4, subdivision 3, and question number 5, subdivision 3 and 4, along with this 3 sum, you try the objective type questions which given in page number 63 in the homework note, and submit this note to the school office room. Thank you students.